Hey everybody, hi, welcome, and thanks for joining me and the Sidekicks for today's video. I'm happy to be back. It's been a long week. I was traveling for a good part of this week and I had a few boxes waiting for me. So hopefully that means I can get some videos knocked out for you guys. Wyatt's here. Can you say hi? He was waiting for me. He was excited to see me when I got back, weren't you? Zena was too, but Wyatt shows it a little bit more than Zena does. Zena's here, but she is hiding from you all. Not sure why. She does that sometimes. So I got this very nondescript box and I had no idea what was in it. There's like really nothing on it that told me what it was, and even the label I couldn't read. And I'm like, what is in this box? So I had to open it to see, and I realized it's my Rachel Zoe box of style for spring. And then I got really excited. So I couldn't wait to open it for you guys. I love, now Wyatt wants to see too, right? It's in the box. I love the Rachel Zoe box of style. She always curates such a fun collection of high-end items. There's always beauty products, jewelry, some other fun stuff. And the value of this box is always around $400. You pay $100 per, it's $99.99 per season. If you choose to buy it for the entire year, you do save $50, so it's $349.99. And if you use my link down below, you'll get a discount and save money. So I'll put my link down below in case you guys want to check this subscription out, in case you haven't already done it. It's such a fun subscription. I love it. So let's dig into my box. So here's what I see as soon as I open it. It always does come with a booklet, which I love how Rachel Zoe puts these booklets together, because it tells you different ways to utilize the items, always tells you about them, and also tells you what the retail value of each of the items are, so you can get a sense of the items inside your box. So inside is a note from her, and it says, spring is all about new beginnings, and what better way to start the season than with a selection of fresh style staples. From a hydrating toner that will give you the dewy skin of your dreams to a wear everything bag that will breathe new life into your wardrobe. I am beyond excited for you to enjoy every item in my latest edition. Here's to a spring season filled with style. XOXO, Rachel Zoe. Can't wait to see what's in here. I sometimes also, before she sends out your boxes, you will get choices. So I do know that there's a pair of sunglasses in here because you got to choose between a tortoise color or a black. So I love that she gives you choices for some of the items. Sometimes if it's jewelry, you might get to choose between silver or gold, things like that. Love that. All right, let's dig in here. So excited. So everything is inside this nice plastic. So we're going to have to dig into the plastic. I have my box, and I believe this is the bag. Okay, so let's look at this bag first. So it says, I hope I'm saying this right, Shirlea, Chicago. And it looks like a fantastic caramely color here. Ooh, check this out. So it's half suede and half leather. So amazingly soft and buttery here. This is amazing. It's called tan. They're calling it just a simple tan, and it's the Arden tote. I love this. This is so pretty. So it does have a snap closure here. It does have a zipper pocket. It's right inside here. It smells fantastic. It's such a nice leathery smell. This is beautiful. It's very deep. Just pick this up on camera. It's got a nice, lots of stuff. Lots of room because it's so deep for you to be able to carry stuff in here. This is so pretty. Let's see what that looks like here. Yeah, I like that. So it's basically just comes right down to right below my hip. That is so pretty. Love that. What do you think, Wyatt? You like that? All right, let's see what it says about it. Shows a picture of it here. It is the transitional tote. And it says, I love a camel bag at the turn of spring because it pops against dark winter coats and looks flawless alongside spring's flesh floral. So that's from Rachel. Styling tips: pair with a button-up shirt and midi skirt for the office, or team with your favorite sundress and sandals for a weekend brunch. The slouchy silhouette is roomy enough to carry everything from your laptop to your farmer's market haul, all with an inner zipper pocket for your wallet, keys, and phone. Why we love it: the classic hobo silhouette gets a fresh update by way of the subtle mixed media crafted from vegan leather and suede. So the Arden tote is a value of $74. I think it's adorable. What do you guys think? I like it. All right, let's dig into the box now. So here's the inside of the box, what it looks like. She always has Hello Gorgeous right inside there. All right, so the very first thing I see here is by R Plus CO. Is it R Plus Company? Waterfall Moisture Plus Shine Lotion. Lotion, hydration, and brilliance. And this is a full size. So 5 full ounces. Let's see what it says about this. Looks interesting. Wyatt's checking it out. You can check it out for me, buddy? All right, so this says the main moisturizer. Who doesn't want a product that makes their hair, this is for hair, lustrous and manageable? Apply this lightweight hydrating cream to damp hair for a smooth finish, or use it to nourish ends in between blowouts. All right, so I didn't realize that this was for hair. Very cool. So hair care tips: apply to wet hair to leave your locks shiny, soft, and free of flyaways, and can be applied to dry hair to moisturize ends as well. It's vegan and cruelty-free, and subtle yet alluring fragrance leaves your hair smelling fresh all day. And the value of this is $29. So cool. I have not tried this product before. If you guys have, let me know what you think of it. I'm fascinated by this. Moisture and Shine Lotion. Very cool. All right, I also see a little jewelry bag. Buy you with love. Jewelry. Let's see what's in here. Here's what I see. Looks like some sort of a chain. You guys probably can't hear Xena. She's making sleepy noises. This looks like a little chain bracelet. Obviously, it looks like it would be adjustable to be as tight or as loose as you'd like. And let's see what it says. The subtle statement: crafted by my most talented friend, Nikki Reed, this elegant chain link bracelet adds instant glamour to everything from jeans and t-shirt to an evening out. Skincare tips: wear alone as a subtle statement for everyday glamour, or pair with other stackable pieces for a fashion-forward look. This is what it looks like. It's different chain link sizes here. Why we love it: Buy You with Love is a lifestyle brand focused on sustainable, ethical fashion. These hand-assembled bracelets are made using recycled brass and plated with refined 14 karat gold, 14 karat yellow gold. So let me put this on for you guys real quick. So here's what it looks like. It's cute. Nice, basic, pretty chain. It's adjustable, so lots of room here to make it tighter or looser. Pretty. And the value of this is $195. So it's 14 karat yellow gold. So pretty. Here's a picture on this model as well. All right, there's more stuff. What's next? Erno Laszlo, New York. Hydrate and Nourish. Hydrophil Skin Supplement. Renew your faith in silky skin. Reveal your softest and most hydrated skin with this cult favorite. This toner gently calms, hydrates, and refreshes as it eliminates dullness and even skin tone. Balance moisture and surface oils to maximize the performance and amplify the effectiveness of all your skin care. So this is also full size. This is 6.8 full ounces. Plump, hydrate, nourish, and renew. Love this. This is so cool. I love the beauty products she has sent me. I can't get the words out. Products. Every beauty product she has sent me, I've used and loved, and bought more because they're so awesome. So this one is called the Transformative Toner. Emerging from the winter months, my skin craves products that revitalize and hydrate. This easy-to-use toner is a quick addition to my skincare routine that delivers high-impact results. So the skincare tip: after cleansing, swipe gently over your skin with a cotton pad or applied directly with your hands in a patting motion. Follow with your favorite moisturizer both day and night. Revives dry complexions after the harsh winter months. Unlike alcohol-based toners, this gentle formula sweeps away dead and aging skin while delivering natural skin renewing nutrients. And the value of that is $68. Cool. All right, and I've got one more thing. This has to be the sunglasses, right? Let's check these out. So this is by Diff, charitable eyewear, it says. Let's make a difference. Cena's making so much noise. Cena, do you want to come over here? Her tongue's sticking out. She looks so cute. She's totally not wanting to be involved, though. Wait to see these. Come on. Oh, check these out. I got the black. I got the tortoise the last time. What do you think of these? These are cute. Ugh. Love sunglasses going into spring and summer. Love, love, love. Let's see what these say about them. The Bold Basic. I never leave home without my sunnies, even on a rainy day. I love these because when I move my cheeks, they don't hit them. So I have like these like puffy cheeks. And a lot of times when I wear the bigger sunglasses and I try to smile, it hits the cheek. My cheeks hit the sunglasses and the sunglasses move. These are not hitting. Love it. These tortoise and black versions are striking, timeless, and look great on everyone. So that's from Rachel. Styling tips. Whether you choose the always-on trend tortoise or bold black frames, this oversized silhouette will ramp up your everyday look. Why we love it? For every pair of glasses sold, Diff provides the gift of sight to someone in need. Well, how awesome is that? Every frame is hand-cut, making them more comfortable and flexible for everyday wear. And the value of these, this is the Bella sunglasses, is $85. These are awesome. What do you guys think? So fun. Love new sunnies going into spring. So fun. So that is all my stuff. What do you guys think? Love everything. So we have the sunglasses, the bag, which is gorgeous, the toner, the Moisture Shine lotion for your hair, and the bracelet. I think that's everything. Love it. I love this so much. I think her collections are always on point, always ready for the season, always gets you ready and feeling like you really want that season to come. So I'm so ready for spring. I'm so excited. So thanks so much for spending some time with me. This was so much fun. I love doing this unboxing. I hope you had fun. I so appreciate it. I'll put the link to Rachel Zoe's Box of Style as well as my referral link down below. And Thanks so much. I can't wait to read your comments. Please let me know what you thought of these items down below. Please consider hitting that subscribe button. It really helps me. It helps my channel. It helps me continue to bring you content. Would love if you give me a thumbs up for this video. If you already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. And until next time, everyone, I hope you have an amazing day. Bye.